comment with regard to your question. So one way to measure distance is as the magnitude of the log, right?
Yes.
So, but if you don't take the magnitude, the log by itself does have direction.
Direction, yeah.
So that could be used in your question.
Yeah, that's right. But then the problem is that this is, in the best situation, this is a matrix, and also it is a matrix that lives on some structured space. So still, it's not so. I mean, it will be challenging to develop some. Are you familiar with the topic? Do you know if there is any probability distributions on the Lie algebra?
We can talk offline.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Sure.
Just a small suggestion.
Yeah, sure.
Other questions? Mark?
I have, if you want, first, what you presented here, the shapes was 3D. I'm sure that it can be extended to any dimension. Is there any restriction?
No. It's it's completely the dimension can be everything.
You showed also a collection of 3 clues.
Yes.
Yeah. Does this collection has the same properties of each of the components?
Yes. Yes, in this case, each cloud is generated by the same rule, by just changing the center of the distribution. But of course, we can generate every cloud on the basis of different rules. So, for example, in this, we can generate this one by cubic, this one by quartic, and so on.
Okay, but
It's completely free.
can we say anything about the properties of the whole
It will be necessary.
mixture?
It's an open question. It will be necessary to develop some measurement of just the shape.
And again, about the question of measuring shape. Sometimes if we have the shape, the geometrical information about the whole shape, then we can compute any image that we can compute any characteristic, centroid, surface, or volume, or moments, or momentums, and so on.
Yes, up to now, we work with the moment of the distance. But as I said, I find out this is not so interesting. So.
And so the question that you consider as open, which distance can we choose in such a way to keep still some properties of the cube? Yes?
Well, because the geometry, for example, in this example, the geometry of the spatial orthogonal group is really well established. So the distance is kind of canonical or standard. So the thing is really how to describe with some simple statistics